Hi, I'm Avrumi Glaser, and this is Kol Geula. Today is Tisha B'Av, 1,956 years after we lost the Beis Hamikdash. And every year since, we sit on the floor and we mourn the Beis Hamikdash and all the tsaros that happened Klal Yisrael since. The first Tisha B'Av happened 3,338 years ago by Chet HaMeraglim, when the Meraglim came back and told Klal Yisrael, we can't do it, they're too strong. Klal Yisrael cried the whole night. Men, women, and children. And they said, Hashem hates us. He took us here to die. And Hashem said, if that's how you think I think about you, you're going to cry every year on this day. Now what happened the very next day? Klal Yisrael wakes up early in the morning. Vayashkimu b'boker. Vayalu el Reish Hahar. They climb up to the top of the mountain. And they say to Moshe Rabbeinu, we're going in anyways. And Moshe Rabbeinu says, no. Hashem said you're not going in. Hashem said you're going to die here in the desert. And then after 40 years, your children will go into the land. And they say, no, we're going in anyways. And they were called the Ma'apilim. Now I want to share with you a Torah from Reb Tzadok HaKohen, Ois Mem Vav in Tzidkas HaTzadik. He says that these Ma'apilim were right. They were onto something. The Gemara says in Psachim, Kol ma she'yer melecha balabayis aseh chutz mitzeh. Anything the host tells you to do, listen to him, except for leave. And these Ma'apilim felt that Hashem is telling them, you can't go into Israel, that means leave. That means, I don't want a relationship with you. That means you're out. And they said, that we're not willing to accept. And Moshe Rabbeinu tells Klal Yisrael, Vehi lo titzlach. You're right, but it's not going to work out this time. Hi lo titzlach. In the future, this is going to work. But not right now. When is the time for this? Reb Tzadok HaKohen says that the Gemara in Soita, Daf Mem Tes, and the Gemara in Sanhedrin, Daf Tzadik Zayin, describe the generation of Ikvas the Mashiach as a generation of chutzpah. In the time of Mashiach, chutzpah yizka. The chutzpah will be widespread, and the chutzpah will succeed. Seemingly, chutzpah is a bad thing, but the Arizal says that this chutzpah is chutzpah de kedusha. It's chutzpah that Klal Yisrael will use in order to shell off all the gullus mentality and the traumas that they've been through in Yiddishkeit and create a fresh, new, personal Yiddishkeit and personal connection with Hashem. Now, we all know people who are very passionate about Geula. They're very passionate about Eretz Yisrael. They're passionate about Har Bayis. They're passionate about building Beis Hamikdash, bringing the karbanos. People who are raising paradumas, people who are practicing the avodah in Beis Hamikdash, the singing. To a lot of us, it could seem like these people are crazy. They're weird. What are they doing? They're going up to Har Bayis. They want to build a Beis Hamikdash. Are you crazy? What does that have to do with avodas Hashem? A yid davens and learns and does chesed. Geula, that's up to Hashem. He's going to bring us al kanfin sharim, and He's going to bring the Beis Hamikdash down from Shemayim. Reb Tzadok HaKohen tells us here that the Geula is going to come through people who are like the Ma'apilim. People who say, we want Beis Hamikdash, we want a connection with Hashem. We love Hashem and we want to connect to Him, and we want to do what it takes to get there. We're not going to wait around. We're not going to pretend that all these things are just going to happen miraculously and all we have to do is daven for them. All of us need to realize this Tisha B'Av, that Tisha B'Av is not just about crying about the Churban. Tisha B'Av is also a day to wake up to the fact that it's not here yet. And Kol Dar Shalai Nivna B'Yamav Kilu Nechrav B'Yamav. It's like we are destroying the Beis Hamikdash. We say in the end of Megillah Seicha, Shiveinu Hashem Elecha v'Nashuva. Hashem, bring us back to you. But Hashem says, Shuva Elai v'Shuva Aleichem. You come back to me, and I'll come back to you. Hashem wants that Isarusa de Lasata. Hashem wants us to want it, and not just want it, but to act like we want it. We see a clear pattern of how Geula is playing out. It's miraculous, but at the same time, it's playing out in a natural progression. We see the state of Israel was formed 78 years ago. We somehow win all the battles with all the countries around us. Israel expands. 1967, we get Har Bayis, and yet we give it back. But we see that this is happening in a natural way. Miracles are happening every day, but it's also happening in a natural way, and we should want to be a part of this. So on this Tisha B'Av, I urge you to not just think about all the tsaros that Klal Yisrael has been through in the Churban, but to also think about how you personally can contribute to the Beis Hamikdash. What can you do to bring Beis Hamikdash closer? What can you do to want to bring Beis Hamikdash closer? How can you awaken within you that desire to have a Beis Hamikdash and to be connected to Hashem? May we all be zeicha to bring the Geula and build the Beis Hamikdash, each with our own unique talent and passion. And may we remember to not judge others on how they're bringing it. Maybe it's not the way you were brought up. Maybe it's not how you understand it should be. But it is how they understand it should be. And if they're doing it with passion and with heart, that's what Hashem wants. May we all dance Beis Hamikdash a year from today on Tisha B'Av. Looking forward.